Thank you, Speaker. As cases have come down from the spike around Christmas, students from around the province have safely returned to in-person learning. And this is welcome news for parents and students in my riding. We have had a safe return to school in September, although with cases of variants appearing around the province, it's clear that we must remain vigilant. Can the Minister of Education please share with this legislature the new efforts this government has taken to ensure schools remain a safe place to learn and to work?
Questions to the Minister of Education.
Thank you very much, Speaker. I appreciate the question from the member, and obviously members on this side of the House are quite pleased that all students in this province are now able to return to school this week. That is vital for the mental health and development of all children and critical as we move forward with ensuring we can combat COVID-19 by keeping these kids safe. What we have done over the past weeks is stepped up our program with a plan to expand asymptomatic testing up to 50,000 tests every week. As the Premier just noted in the legislature, in the City of Toronto alone, this week alone, 40 schools will be tested for asymptomatic testing, working with the local public health unit to deliver that layer of protection that is critical as we move forward with these new variants. We've also enhanced the screening protocol of children and staff before they enter school, and likewise a better quality mask, a 3-ply mask, according to the Public Health Agency of Canada. In each and every realm, we have improved the investment, enhanced the requirement, and will continue to invest to make sure that these kids and all staff are safe in this province.
And the supplementary question.
Thank you, Speaker, and back to the Minister. School boards have done great work in moving quickly to remote learning during the province-wide shutdown and at other times throughout the school year. However, we know that a consequence of separation from classmates is an impact on mental health. This is especially true for younger children or children who require more specialized care. Though the return to in-person learning is a huge factor in maintaining mental health for students, families and staff, we know that continued supports are needed. Would the Minister of Education please share with us what efforts are being done to help support the mental health of our students?
Minister of Education.
Thank you very much, Speaker. I appreciate the opportunity to just really thank you, Speaker. It is really important that we continue to stay focused on the mental health of children, which is why, as noted, we are pleased that all children are able to return to class this week, so consequential for their mental health. But in addition to that, realizing that there are some children that are struggling, we have enhanced our investment, over $52 million during the pandemic alone in net new dollars, to hire over 200 more mental health workers and ensure that our kids and the staff have access to the supports that they need and they deserve. $52 million, of which $10 million was just provided to Kids Help Phone, as well as to provide, working with School Mental Health Ontario, a mental health action kit where all classes are able to talk about the importance of positive mental health and really improve the resilience of our kids. We'll continue to invest in them and follow the medical advice to keep them safe.
Thank you. The next question.